Are you ready, homeboy? All right, give it up for the hip-hop kids. 2 solos each. Go for it.
You know who this is. Yeah. Never Listen, they got me on some other shit, and that is I don't give it. And if you think I'm ass, well then you can go and kiss it. Rhyming more than Dr. Seuss, about to go green next to him. I'm gonna go and sign a sign with these fools. I know it's hard to believe, but it's the fucking truth. If you don't believe me, check out my YouTube. Why your tracks just a damn waste? Y'all know why I listen like I'm hearing fucking sound shakes. I hate to give you the cold shoulder, but when you stretch your pennies, my pockets is doing yo up. Yeah, oh boy, I thought I told you. Established, so proud for the disclosure. Rocking a furry polar, I advise you to get one. My neck's so bright like I'm rocking the solar system. Tell us don't see more green than my birthstone. Queen of the jungle, Leo, and let's go.
Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, let's go! Alright,
Let's go, ring. Now everybody say. Everybody say. Everybody say. Check this out. We look like we came from a damn major label. Chillin' in VIP with my Tim's on the table. They got so many bottles like it was damn near free. They don't know where to go, to the bar or to me. But you already know the drinks is on me. You still be sipping even when I leave. Go ahead and knock yourself out, literally. To the guards, gotta roll your ass out and take the keys. Had a cab ready, drinking responsibly. If you get wasted, don't blame it on me. Full-time job to do what I do, so honor me. Not looking for no awards, but I'm tearing down your nine. Top floor float with your skills sitting in the lobby. So I see my enemies will never ever find it ever.
round number 2, switch up! Switch up, DJ! Switch it up! That's right. DJ Ice. Make some noise for the 2 homies right here. Make some noise. All right. Okay, so you guys take a bow. Say thank you. The judges is going to come back later to say who's going to win. We're not going to crown the winner now. So later, we're going to tell you who the winner is. So make some noise for these 2 guys. And we're going to come back with the winner later. Yeah, yeah, yeah.